So, I just found an abandoned place. This is what it looks like. It's in a farm, so it's pretty dark in here. This is going to be one crazy video. And next time, I'm going to make a Minecraft video. So, I will be driving this.
Yeah.
And there's also a slide in here.
And yes.
So, it's me and my little brother are against each other to see who can do the best YouTube video. I'm just going to be leading in the slide.
What you can see, there's some stuff up there.
Yeah, there's a few things in there. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. And what I'm going to be doing is going up these steps so I can show you guys how to drive this thing. By the way, my name is Neil. I might make my own merch soon. I have no idea. This is how you drive this. So this spot down here is the pedal. And this is what you use to drive it. And so these are also bits. And well, this is creepy. It's a fun day and I'm used to having glasses. And goodbye.